Say you want to rent a car for the day. Company A charges $40 per day and 15 cents per mile. Company B charges $50 per day and 10 cents per mile. How should you decide which company to use? We will decide which company to use based on cost. We notice that we are renting a car for only one day, so we do not need a variable to represent our number of days. We will let our variable x represent our distance in miles. Company A charges $40 up front plus 15 cents per mile. We need to rewrite the 15 cents in terms of dollars, so we will get 0.15 times x is my number of miles. So we get 40 plus 0.15x. Company B charges $50 up front plus 10 cents per mile. So we will get 50 plus 0.10 times x. We can reason based on the problem that if we are traveling a short distance, we should choose the company that charges us less to start with. So if we are traveling a short distance, it makes the most sense to choose company A. If we are traveling a long distance, what will matter most to us is how much we are charged per mile. So because company B charges us less per mile, we would choose company B. The terms short distance and long distance are not very descriptive. We would like to know precisely when we should choose company A versus choosing company B. Thus, we need to know where our two equations are equal. So we want to know where 40 plus 0.15x is equal to 50 plus 0.10x. We want to move everything that has an x to one side, everything that does not to the other. So I will subtract 0.1 times x and also subtract 40 from both sides. So I will get 0.05x is equal to 10. I divide by 0.05 and I will end up with x is equal to 200 miles. So we know that if we travel exactly 200 miles, both companies will charge the same. We also now have a better description for when we should choose company A versus company B. If we travel a short distance, less than 200 miles, we should choose company A. If we are traveling a long distance, more than 200 miles, we should choose company B. If we are traveling exactly 200 miles, it does not matter which company we choose.